Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install Python. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Python and you'll be having the official link python.org. Click it and here we'll be having downloads, and this is the latest version to download, which is Python 3.14. If you want to download any other version, just click on downloads, and if you scroll down, here we'll be having some older versions of Python also. You can simply click this and download the older versions. If you want the latest version, here we are having, click it. Download will be getting started, just 28 MB in size, so will be getting downloaded within a flash. So once the download is complete, open it, and now we'll be getting the installation. Make sure that you are checking both of these and click on install now. Select yes. So now if I go to search and open command prompt and run the command python space ---- version and hit enter, we need to get the Python version like this. Do check the playlist of my channel. Now a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.